Last time on his adventure. So last time on last time on his adventure. So last time. Can you stop? Okay, I'm sorry. Last time, the defeated boss Frosted Pixels and defeated boss Darren. Yeah, let's go to the adventure. How? Isn't this the last course for World 6? World 6, hello? Oh, I'm sorry, World 5, is it? Yeah, it is. Oh, okay, good. I'm tired of this. I'm gonna play Fortnite. They added Hatsune to Miku to Fortnite. Hello? Wins! We're gonna defeat the boss today.
Let's go. Let's finish this once and for all.
Yeah, we've been on this world for unnecessarily too long. We were on a great pace. I don't know what happened.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, hopefully we can actually finish. Oh my, where did you go? Oh my god, you came back. Go, go, go.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we gotta enter the castle.
I completely forgot about that.
Yeah,
what about the music? What about the music, guys?
We gotta enter the course first.
Okay.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna stay back because I don't trust you kids. Okay, you entered the pile anyway. Go, 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 guys, come on. Six. Five. Guys, what did I say about... Let's just start. Also, by the way, whoever didn't make it came back. Alright, guys, let's start. Alright, Quins, let's go!
Let's go. Let's go.
Your arm is blocking the way. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on, guys, go. I barely... Go, go, go! Are you trying to kill... Go! Okay, Quins, I don't know where to go, honestly. It doesn't look like there's any obstacles or anything.
Yeah.
Do you think that's the NPC? There's no way they'll give it to us right away.
No way.
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's try. You guys stay there. Try to, I don't know. We don't like you guys. All right, let's go. Ah, yes, the favorable Anthony twins.
What about Jessica?
What about Small Turtle?
Wait, wasn't that his original design? All right, let's ask the NPC. Wait,
This is the NPC. I thought we were talking about this one.
Oh,
Oh.
is it the NPC? Are they both NPCs?
Are they both the NPC?
Okay, let's get Anthony 4 and Anthony 6 here, because that one's a dog and that one's a snowman.
Yum, 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 yum.
All right, you talk, Anthony 6, you talk to that one first.
He says the boss is like up, down, like left, diagonal, multiplier by 15, y equals mx plus b, and horizontal.
All right, so he's down. Let's go.
Up, down.
Jesus Christ.
Let's go!
Sylvian, you're acting a little off today. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Wait, I didn't get to ask him yet. Oh my God. Okay, hurry up.
Ow, that.
Oh, woof woof. Okay, he said downward dog in front of his wife. What does that even mean? All right, guys, come on. We're enough wasting time. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, Quins, let's keep going down.
Okay, come on.
Let's just skip this. It's taking forever. All right, guys, we're here. Let's go.
No music? Okay.
Yeah, no more music. Oh. Why is Patrick even here?
In front of us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Patrick, use headbutt. He died.
You said Patrick use headbutt, right? Hello, guys.
Oh my God! All right, Quins, let's go. All right, Quins, we have to hit a switch for something. I don't know where exactly it's at. Wait, hold on. I'm sensing something. What was wrong? If we go past this little plastic part, I don't know what the hell it is. It's gonna be very cold, so be careful. Oh, okay, guys, let me go out first. Let me go out first.
My middle name.
No, it's not. That was Anthony. All right, I'm gonna go next. No, Anthony. Guys, can we act smart for once?
No.
Fair. All right, Quins. Let me go out first. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, we're here. So what now? Come on, guys, come on. Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, I thought it was cold.
Yeah, now I'm there. It's not gonna be cold.
Oh.
Ow. Okay.
Oh,
He
okay.
missed.
Oh, you go back. You're gonna get forgotten.
Oh, shucks. Alright, Quint, we got to find a controller. Where's it at?
What's the controller?
Alright, it's blue.
What's the big controller?
Wait, guys, it's up there. Come on, T-Mobile.
Okay. Mama.
Go.
Go. You got this shit.
No, I'm scared. I'm scared.
You
It's okay.
need this
Is it-
shit.
you're
You got this. You got this into the 7.
No, I'm scared.
I believe in you into the 7. I believe in you into the
Yes,
7.
I'm scared.
What's happening, guys?
What does that show?
Okay.
Grab it and go down.
I can't do it. I can't.
Oh, we do know. I wonder what Patrick meant.
Did that work? Wait, so what exactly did that do? Oh, okay, guys, let's go. Go, guys, go.
Okay, as an expert of ice, let me go first.
56. I'm gonna. You're very rude. All right, guys. Now we have to cross up.
Okay.
Wait, it looks very steep. How are we gonna do that? Maybe if we push this a little bit, and then there we go. Good as new. Let's go. All right, I made it. I did it.
I made it.
What's wrong? Okay. Yay! All right, go. Oh! Let me get this thing. Okay.
This thing.
Pick it up. Go on, guys. Let's go.
He didn't do it.
Oh man, no, I'm never gonna. Who is this thing?
Who is that guy?
Get out of my house.
Let's
Go on, Jessica. Let's go. We made it.
go. Except for that guy.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
52. You have to move a little bit to get the cutscene. Okay, there we go. Let's go. This wall looks kind of funny. Oh, I know what it did. So now it brought this giant blue ice, and now we have to break it in order to find the boss.
Oh.
Okay, then let's break it. Here we go. Do it again. Gwyn's! That ice just floated! What the fuck?
Where's the boss?
Oh, there he is. Alright, we're finally here. We finally found him. Why is music still playing?
I'm sorry, I'm stuck.
Quinn, someone save him. Did I say him? I mean her. I mean...
Such a good brother, I can hear him.
And what are the odds Mufasa came out?
You suck.
Oh god. Anyways, we found you. Now it's time to fight.
The game is over.
We just can we fight now? We've been doing this for way too long.
Alright, fine. Alright. This is the final course. I'm not gonna go easy on you guys. You expect the worst. Next. Can you stop hitting me in the face?
Let's do this.
Oh.
Quins, let's lock in. Go.
Dr. Assassin!
Where did he go? Guys, where did he go? I was not looking. What happened to locking in, guys?
I don't know.
First of all, 2 people flew away. One of them was the boss, and one of them was. I found them, guys.
Guys, let's form a line.
Okay.
That's from a conga line.
Let's form a bait.
A bait for what?
For that.
All right, guys, move.
Let's go.
They gave us way too much time for this. Alright, guys, tackle! Go!
Get out of my way!
Yeah, I got the most powerful move ever. Growl.
Why did it replace wipe? Go, go, go.
Growl. Wow.
Damn it! Do anything. Lord is down, man.
Okay, frost breath.
I hope that didn't hit you guys. No, it didn't. At the 8, you okay?
He's not breathing.
Wow!
Oh, has rabies.
I'm going to kill him!
No, we were joking!
So
Oh.
it's an ice pack against an ice pack.
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay, okay. Alright, guys, how many people are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Jesus Christ, how did we lose 5 people? We just started.
Mm.
Alright, enough of this. Fire blast! Dodge! Quiz! He dodged it! What do I do?
And just try not to hit us!
Okay, okay. Go! Again! I missed this time! Sorry. Quinn, I'm still here! Get me, get me, get me!
Alright, let's do this. Zippy sap. Okay.
Alright.
Wait, there's no way.
Well, that was easy.
No, 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 no!
What happened now?
Oh, so it's gonna be 5 of them.
Oh no,
Hello? Quins? Am I... What happened? What? Can we bring her back? How do we... Oh, there she
It's
is.
a magical remote.
Why does her objective on top of the screen now? Use the remote to access next phase.
Oh, and so let's press the down button. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no, Quins. We're getting descended. Oh no, guys. Hold my hand.
Oh no! Guys, are we gonna die?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Snowman, protect us.
I got you, man.
Come on, guys. Be careful. Oh, God, Quins.
Whoa.
I guess we're
Whoa.
served.
Is this chicken and duck dinner? We're served.
Yeah, we're served, Quins.
Oh, man.
Wait, no we're not.
What? Why?
I found the snowman. Hi.
Let's go on the snowman.
Oh, okay. Oh my God! What did you do? Well, there goes Anthony too. Then. All right.
Oh, he's dead. Oh,
Yeah, he's dead. He fell off. All right, guys, let's go on the snowman. Okay, guys, let's go.
Get this fucking dog out of here.
What the fuck? He was supposed to guide us, guys. Wow.
Fine.
All right. Well, I guess you can be in the video now. All right, Quinn, let's go to fight the boss. What happened? Okay. Go, go, go! Okay, this is working, guys. All right, Quince, we made it.
You guys are never gonna fight me now.
Yes, we will.
Guys, I think we're pretty screwed. He has the height advantage. Now it's not your time to count your chickens. What? We got this. He may have height advantage, but we have move.
Drive or die.
Oh, he's entering the machine. Okay, he may have height advantage, but we have movement advantage. Oh, you're right. Let's go. Make sure to not fall, everyone. All right, Quince, let's do this. Ice. Quince, watch out! It didn't even hit us, guys. How? How? We lost the best one. We only have this little girl. We only have this stupid thing. And
Pokemon.
wait, you guys are. You guys are super effective against him. Use a move. Okay. Iron Head.
And Jan.
You're so dumb.
What did he say?
All right. We're going to the kick.
Ow.
Can we get closer? Come on, driver, come on!
Closer.
Okay, come on.
More ice.
Watch out!
That's awesome. Alright, now I'm gonna use
Let's decide together. I'm gonna use Zippy Zap and you use... Wait, I know. Stone Edge. Come on.
Stone Age.
Go! Zippy Zap! Quit! I'm alive somehow.
I'm gonna trash bag.
That's trash, man.
Don't understand.
I don't understand either. We lost so many of us. Sylveon's gone. Anthony 9's gone. Anthony 7. Let's not listen now. That's gonna take forever. Holy smokeronis! Quinns! Where the hell are we?
I don't know, guys.
Quinns. We're back at the same spot where we were in the Pixel World. We gotta be careful, guys. Anything can happen at this point. And he's dead. Alright, Anthony 3. Just like how we started this in the
He
beginning.
fell in the top.
Oh, GG. Alright! Let's do this, Anthony 3! Let's do this! What? Alright. You use Zippy Zap, I use Fire Blast. I'm gonna not miss this time. Use Zippy Zap to move my thing away. Anthony 3, do something! Okay.
I know. Frost breath.
No, it's going back this way. Okay.
I give up.
There's no way that they're not that dusty.
High five, snowman.
Ah!
I'm the only one alive. Oh, man. Well, at least I got my snowman.
Dead.
Wait!
Oh, where did you go?
What's that noise?
Oh no, guys, we're walking in the top.
Oh no! The boiler's going to explode! Come on! Let's get out of here, snowman!
Let's get out of here.
The finish line's right there! Go up! Yeah! Home, safe home. Home sweet home! We did it! Yeah!
And the drive.
Good job, driver. You can go home now.
Bye, driver.
Bye.
Oh, he's gone. We all did it, Quint. We beat World 5. Finally. I mean, it didn't take as long as the other worlds, but at least... to draw your water bottle.
Okay.
At least it didn't take as long as the other times.
Yeah. Well, let's go on to the next world.
Yeah.
Wait, where can we get Mega Evolutions?
Good question. We've been waiting for that. I don't know when that's gonna happen. All right, guys. We have to go up a mountain, so let's go.
Mount Everest.
Oh, I'm scared of heights. I don't like that.
Blah, 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 blah,
Blah, blah, blah.
Wow, you're so rude.
I was joking. Jesus Christ. Go make me a sandwich. All right, let's go, guys. Come on. Go.
Go.
All right, on to World 6 we go, guys. Yeah.
Yes!
Let's go. That is the end of Adventures Adventure 3! that's the end of Adventure Adventure 3, episode 50. Find out next time on Adventure Adventure 3. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, wait, where do I go?
Wrong way. Go to top of sugar.
Do I have to go up there? Okay. Can someone help me at least? Hello, somebody. I can't, like, I don't have any hands. I can't do anything.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the help. What in the ball? Hey, little animal, let's go. Let's go. Man, let's go. Ah!